Good afternoon. I'd like to book a flight, please.
Of course. Where are you flying to?
To Paris, as soon as possible.
Let me check. There's one flight at 5:50 p.m. and another at 9:15 p.m.
I'll take the 5:51. Is there still a seat available?
Yes, one in economy. Would you like to include checked baggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
All right, may I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. How would you like to pay? Card or cash?
By card, please.
Perfect. The total is €220, including taxes and luggage.
That's fine. Can I get a window seat if possible?
Let me see. Yes, seat 18A is available.
Great. How long before the flight should I be at the gate?
Boarding starts 45 minutes before departure at gate B6.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant trip to Paris.
Good afternoon. I dropped off my clothes here last week, but I can't find my order.
Sure. May I have your receipt, please?
Yes, here it is. It was a blue shirt and a pair of trousers.
Let me check in our system. It shows that your clothes were ready 3 days ago.
That's strange. I came yesterday, but they weren't here.
I'm really sorry about that. It's possible they were sent to our other branch by mistake.
Oh, I see. Could you please check for me?
Of course, I'll call the other branch right now.
Thank you. Those were my favorite clothes.
I understand. Don't worry, we'll find them. Good news, they're at our main branch. We can deliver them to you today.
That's a relief. Thank you for sorting it out.
My apologies for the inconvenience. We'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
I appreciate your help. Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I ordered my food quite a while ago. Is it still coming?
Oh, I'm so sorry for the delay. May I know what you ordered?
Yes, the pasta with garlic bread.
Let me check with the kitchen right away.
Sure. Thank you. I've been waiting for almost 30 minutes.
I completely understand, sir. We've had a few large orders ahead of yours.
That's all right. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't forgotten.
Of course not. Your pasta is being plated now. It'll be out in just 2 minutes.
That's good to hear. Thank you for checking.
My pleasure. Sir, I'll also bring you a complimentary drink while you wait.
That's very kind of you. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Thank you for your patience. Good morning, officer.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to report a lost item.
All right. What did you lose?
I lost my wallet somewhere near the city park this morning.
I see. Do you remember what was inside the wallet?
Yes, some cash, my ID card, and 2 credit cards.
Okay. Can you describe the wallet?
It's black leather with a silver button.
Do you know roughly what time you lost it?
Around 9:30 a.m., I noticed it was missing after I bought coffee.
All right. Please fill out this lost property form with your details.
Sure. Will I be contacted if it's found?
Yes. We'll call you as soon as we receive any information.
Thank you, officer. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Don't worry. We'll do our best to locate it. Good afternoon. I'd like to rent a car, please.
Good afternoon. Of course. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. I just arrived and need a car for 2 days.
No problem. May I see your driver's license and passport, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Would you prefer a small car or an SUV?
A small car will be fine. Something easy to drive.
All right. Do you want an automatic or manual transmission?
Automatic, please.
Got it. Would you like to include insurance?
Yes, please. Just to be safe.
Perfect. The total will be $180 for 2 days, including insurance.
That's fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please sign here to confirm the rental.
Done.
Great. Your car is parked outside in slot number 14.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe drive.
Hello. This is room 507.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
I placed a room service order about 45 minutes ago, but it hasn't arrived yet.
Oh, I'm very sorry for the delay. May I know what you ordered?
Yes, I ordered a club sandwich and a cup of coffee.
Thank you. Let me check with the kitchen right now.
All right, I'll wait.
Thank you for your patience, sir. Your order is being prepared and will be delivered in about 10 minutes.
Okay, I understand. It's just taking a bit longer than expected.
Yes, we apologize for that. We've had a few large orders tonight.
No problem. Please make sure the coffee is hot when it arrives.
Of course, sir. I'll personally remind the staff.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. Your order will be there shortly.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to Toronto, please.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any connecting flights?
Yes, I have a connecting flight in London before reaching Toronto.
All right. Would you like your luggage checked through to your final destination?
Yes, please. That would be great.
No problem. Please place your suitcase on the belt.
Here it is.
Thank you. Your bag will go directly to Toronto. You don't need to collect it in London.
Perfect. That makes it easier.
Here's your boarding pass for both flights. The gate for your first flight is B10.
Thank you so much. How long is the layover in London?
About 2 hours. That should be enough time to catch your next flight.
Great. Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant journey.
Good morning. I just checked out from room 312, but I think I left something behind.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What did you lose, sir?
I believe I left my watch on the bedside table.
All right, let me check with housekeeping right away. Thank you. I'd really appreciate that. Could you please confirm your name?
Yes, it's Daniel Brown.
Okay, one moment, please. Yes, our staff found a watch in your room.
That's great news. Is it silver with a black strap?
Yes, that's the one.
Perfect. Can I collect it now?
Of course, you can pick it up from the reception desk anytime.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, sir. We're glad it was found.
I'll be there in 10 minutes. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a wonderful day.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my restaurant bill.
I'm sorry to hear that. Sir, could you please tell me what seems to be the issue?
Yes, it shows 2 cups of coffee, but I only had one.
Let me take a look. May I see your bill, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you, yes, it looks like an extra coffee was added by mistake.
Oh, I see. Could you please correct it?
Of course, I'll remove the extra item and print a new bill for you.
Thank you so much.
No problem, sir. I truly apologize for the confusion.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
Here's your updated bill. The total is now $18 instead of $22.
Perfect. I'll pay by card, please.
Certainly, please tap your card here.
Done?
Thank you, sir. We really appreciate your understanding.
You're welcome. Thanks for fixing it quickly.